Hold sprayer about 6 to 8 inches from the surface. Spray a light mist over the area to be cleaned. Let the product set for approximately 30 seconds. Scrub with a sponge or a light-duty pad. Allow to dry. For best results, buff the surface dry with a clean microfiber towel. Apply approximately 1/8 teaspoon of powder to the dull spot to be restored. Using a spray bottle, gently spray, to prevent splattering, a mist of water over the powder, making sure all the powder is moistened. If you do not have a spray bottle, you can pour a few drops of water onto the powder from a cup. The mixture should be a wet paste consistency, similar to hand lotion. Using a clean, slightly moistened white piece of cotton cloth, a washcloth will do fine. Rub until the area treated is dry. This will require some pressure while rubbing to ensure the etch is being removed. To finish with a professional touch, spray a little more water to the area being treated, then using the same part of the cloth with product residue, rub in circles, with a little pressure. Then use a fast back and forth motion, with more pressure, until the stone surface is dry and shiny. This will make a perfect blend. Repeated applications may be needed to completely remove the etch and blend with surrounding areas. To eliminate any residue, spray a little GT5 spray cleaner, then rub it dry. Clean the stone surface thoroughly using our all-stone cleaner. Once the stone surface is clean and dry, spray the all-stone polish sparingly across the entire surface. Buff surface to a dry streak-free uniform finish using a clean non-colored piece of terry cloth or microfiber towel. If you notice some smearing occurring, stop buffing, wait for another minute, then buff again with a clean terry cloth or microfiber towel. If streaking persists, spray a little more product on and buff immediately to blend. When first used, a repeat application may be called for. Read the safety data sheet completely before use. Make sure surface is dry and free from soils, waxes, sealers, and/or coatings. Generously apply an even coat of the stone sealer on the surface being treated using a lamb's wool applicator, paint brush, low-pressure sprayer, or spray bottle. Allow sealer to soak into the stone surface for up to 30 minutes. Stone surfaces will have different rates of porosity. If the sealer absorbs into the surface in under 10 minutes, multiple applications will be needed. Repeat the process until the sealer stays on the surface for more than 15 minutes. Do not allow excess sealer to dry on the surface. After the stone sealer has remained wet on the stone surface for approximately 20 minutes, you must remove all sealer and residue from the surface with a dry cloth or towel. Should any residue be left or dried on the surface, you may be able to remove it by applying a light coat of sealer to the affected area and buff it off using a clean cloth. We recommend that you complete the first application of the entire surface in manageable sections, so the sealer does not dry on the surface. Wet area that you are treating with water. Apply paste to the wet surface 1/8 to 1/4 inches thick using a suitable applicator, like a putty knife. Cover the poultice with plastic wrap and let stay for 12 hours. It will cling to the surface. Press down around the edges. Remove the plastic and allow poultice to dry completely. This is the most important part. As it dries, it will draw the stain from the surface. Remove the poultice and captured contaminants by scraping off the surface. Insert a corrosion-resistant spatula or towel under the paste and carefully lift from the surface. Non-metal tools are preferred to avoid scratching the surface. Remove as much residue as possible. Rinse the surface thoroughly with fresh water, using a sponge or soft cloth. Repeat application if needed.